Hello everyone, this is Mr. Royal Enfield for you guys. Today we are going to know how to calculate the mileage of your Interceptor 650. The Interceptor 650 has a total tank capacity of 13.7 liters. I had already received 4 liters of petrol in the tank and I immediately refueled it to full tank capacity, which is approximately 13.5 liters, leaving a little space to the fuel cap, and I had to refuel it again when the fuel indicator was blinking with two blinkers. So when I refueled it, I had to add up to approximately, exactly, not approximately, exactly 8.93 liters of petrol. And I had already set a trip B for the said trip, and in the said 8.93 liters of petrol, my bike Interceptor 650 had covered up to 148.9 kilometers. So to know the average of the mileage of the bike, you'll have to divide 148.9 kilometers by 8.93 liters of petrol. Therefore, A divided by B is equal to mileage. Let's see how much it comes to. 148.9 divided by 8.93 is equal to 16.7 kilometers per liter. Therefore, my first average is 16.7, which is very less, but it's fine for a 650cc bike. Now on my trip two, after I finished that first trip, then I had to add again 8.81 liters of petrol, and in the second trip, it covered 180.2 kilometers. Therefore, the mileage of my second trip is 180.2 kilometers divided by 8.81 liters, which is equals to 20.45 kilometers per liter, which is amazing and wow. Ekdam jackass. Subscribe, people.